All right, been busy, so finally back with our next video, trying to get through showing how to customize and start building pages in Divi. And at this point, this site's now been live for about 2 weeks, so we're starting to actually get some stats coming through on our dashboard here. But yeah, today thought we would jump in and start working on building out a landing page and show you through some of the features in Divi. So once you've logged back into your WordPress dashboard through GoDaddy, you can come in and actually start building out some pages. So obviously you already built some pages here, but what I thought I'd do is create a new landing page from scratch and show you how that process works. So essentially at the top, hit add new page, and it'll pop up with add a title. So I'm just going to call this demo landing page, and then we're just going to hit use Divi Builder. And what we want to do is choose from a pre-made layout. So if we go to browse layouts, it's going to bring you through to a database of pre-made layouts. So you can basically look at here, you've got 298 layouts to pick from in terms of packs, but in total layouts is over 2,000. You can filter these by any type of category on the left-hand side. So if you browse through, you can start to see all these different ones ready to be used. So the one that I decided on was actually, let me find it again, was a dentist pack, I believe. Maybe it wasn't. Finance. Anyway, we'll just grab one of these and I'll show you through how to start building with Divi Builder. So if we look at this, you can then see the layouts inside of the pack. So the layouts inside of the pack, you can look at a landing page. Now, if you want to use one of these, you can essentially just hit this 3 buttons here and go use this layout, and it's going to essentially start installing. We'll come back in a couple of seconds when it's ready to go. All right, so you can see now it's brought through all of the sections on the page and it's ready for you to start editing. So essentially what you can do is start clicking into the text and basically click and change what you need to. So view. The text, you can do things like change the size of it if you want to. If I come back here and click on the little cog, you'll see the text here, and you can start changing size, changing the design, making it bold, italics. So what you see is what you get, editor. So essentially, as you change things, you'll see it in real time. So you can see there, I've edited the text. If there's sections that you don't want, you can actually remove them if you would like to. So if I want to remove this section here, I can hit delete and it's gone. It's important as well, just as you go down the bottom, you can see hit save draft. Save things as you go, as you make changes, so you can undo them. If you do need to go back in history and change or undo things, you can use this global history. Now to add different sections. All right, so to add different sections or items into the theme, you can essentially click any of the plus modules throughout the page. So if I wanted to add, I don't know, a picture next to this, you can click on that plus button, click add picture. It's going to insert the picture there. And then if I look at the library, I can come in and say, I don't know, I'll add in this image here that I've made. And you can see it there. Just delete that one for now, but you can essentially add whatever you like throughout the page. Now, I'm just going to move that. Now, an example of adding a section below section, you can click add, and then you can choose what you want in terms of items to add in. So if I click 4 sections, I can then add multiple images, click the plus button, and go into my media library, and I can add in multiple images across the page. Oops, added in a gallery there by accident. Just go back in, add another image. So in this image series, I've basically put a demonstration on mobile device of our application journey. And then the final image. And then I can start doing things like changing background color if I want to. So if I want to put in a background color behind all of these, I can put in a background color of white, and then you can see it's white. Change it to black, whatever you like. You can also do things like when you click on it, we can tell it to open the image in a lightbox. So if I hit save, and then again save, now when you click on this, it's going to actually open the image in a lightbox on the page to zoom in, essentially. And just to show you how that works, there you go, click on that image and it will actually increase the size so you can show the image in a larger format. So going back to designing the page, you can see you starting to get things customized here. We'll go back and add this image here. So to physically upload an image, if we want to, we can select it from a file, and let's just grab this one here. Wait for it to upload. And then on the right hand side down the bottom, you can see upload image, and you can see there we've brought in that. So I can save that now. So yeah, look, you can start to build out your page, changing your text and fonts, and adding in images and calls to action throughout the page. Some exciting news we've got coming up, a joint video with a couple of different stakeholders in the industry, one being a coach, Therese O'Neill, which is going to be exciting, talking about how to build your broking business, and also an interview with a repair business. So keep an eye out for those. And also next video will be integrating the loan options widget into the website that you're building here in WordPress. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you.